Okay, returning player friends, we are going to work through doing a BandLab assignment. All right. So first things first, I've got my Chromebook. I've got my headphones that have a normal jack on them. Okay. If you don't have headphones like this, you may be able to get away with a different kind of jack, but you need to make sure that you set your recording source as the onboard microphone on your Chromebook. Okay, so I'm gonna put my headphones on. Okay, so step one, I've logged in. I've got my Jamming with Charlie here. I need to go to Show Attachments because I need to get my sheet music. I'm gonna click Download. Show in Folder. Okay, so I had to click on Show in Folder. Hopefully you guys caught all that. So that's gonna bring up my sheet music. I'm gonna make this real big. I'm going to zoom in, Control plus to, oh, actually, you can just navigate like that. Okay, sweet. I can just use 2 fingers and scroll in. So we're only doing the first 6 measures, okay? So I've got that pulled up. I'm going to grab my Google Chrome tab. I'm going to click Start Assignment. I'm going to go to Teacher's Assignment. It's going to load me in here. Once to use my microphone, I want to allow that. It says use headphones during recording. Record the first 6 measures here. Don't hit submit until you're happy with the sound. I'm going to click on assignment brief to make that go away so I can see the whole thing. Okay, I'm going to use my name. This is Mr. B. I'm going to make sure that this is clicked. I'm going to head over to source. Check, check, check. Okay, I'm very loud. So I'm going to grab this volume button, see if I can't change the input sensitivity. And it looks like I cannot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my clock button down here, and I'm going to go to the sound button, and I'm going to turn my internal microphone down a bunch. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Notice how it's peaking right about there. I'm now going to grab my trumpet, or actually I'm playing alto, and I'm going to see how loud this actually is. And when I play, it's almost maxed out. So I'm going to turn it down some more. Notice how it's in the yellow. That's really good. Okay, so I'm done with my settings over here. Don't forget to fix those later. If you have a microphone that is on your headset, you may see something like a headphone mic. Just make sure it goes to internal mic or default internal mic when you go to record. That way you're not getting a different microphone like on your headset. Usually those are not very good quality for what we're trying to do. Okay, so I've got this here. I'm going to pull up my JPEG. I'm going to practice for a second. Okay, I'm going to practice that a boatload of times. And in y'all's situation, you don't have multiple screens, so this is going to be kind of tough. Let's see what we can do here. Scroll this over some. I'm going to make this. I'm going to scroll over with this so that I can see both at the same time. It's a little too far away. Okay, so now I can see both at the same time. I'm going to hit record on this and have my mouthpiece ready. Remember, if you have to have this thing clicked where it has the blue line right there, if that's not happening, you'll accidentally record over the backing track. Okay, I've got my headphones in. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to unplug so you guys can hear how it sounds. Okay, so what I just did was I turned down the backing track so I could hear myself really good.
1, 2, ready, go.
So one thing that BandLab is really bad at, it's bad at syncing up your sounds. So what I like to do is I like to tell people to grab this little handle right here and drag it in some, and then drag your file and line it up with the start of the song. My original take was not that bad. It wasn't out of time. It was actually in time. So now I'm going to hit play and it should fix itself.
2, ready, go.
I'm a little ahead.
2, ready, go.
And you probably can't hear that super good, so I'm going to turn that up. I'm going to turn my volume up all the way. One more time.
2, ready, go.
Okay, and if I'm happy with that sound, I will hit the word submit. You don't have to put any submission words, just hit submit. Okay, and there's my assignment. I will see it. It'll send me an email when it's in there, and then I'll go listen to it and give you a grade. Okay, if you guys have any issues or challenges with this, please let me know. Y'all are awesome. See you in the next video. Bye bye.